Hello, everyone. My name is Ben. I'm a software engineer at the Artificial Intelligence in Medicine Lab in the 𝐋𝐢𝐫𝐨𝐭. I'm a developer of the Lirotai app. Today, I will be going with you in a series of short videos through the installation process as well as the usage of the Lirotai app. This is the first video, and here I will be showing you how to download and access the app the first time. To begin, you need to go to this link, which is available at our website, and it will take you to this site where you can either download the test flight, which is a native app developed by Apple in order to allow running of apps which are not yet in the App Store. So if you haven't downloaded App Store already, it will take you to the App Store, and here you will have the option to download test flight. And if you already have a test flight installed, then you can just click directly viewing test flight, and this will take you to test flight. When you first open test flight, you will see instead of the open button, you will see an install button, and then it should start downloading the app. It will take anywhere between 20 minutes, 40 minutes, depending on your internet connection, because the app is quite heavy and it takes a while to download. And after you finish downloading it, then you will see this open option, and then we will go to step 2. So after you finish downloading the app, you should arrive in this step.